His territory includes West UP minus Ghaziabad and NCR, Noida, which is a part of NCR. Hello sir, good afternoon. It's my pleasure to be meeting you and thank you for giving me the time. Just to take you through a small presentation regarding West UP and Jagran and how are they connected. And sir, before coming to you, I did meet one of your dealers at Meerut. And this is what the feedback I've got for your Tata Ace. Tata Ace is actually an ace. That means you hold over 75% of the market share. And of all the segments, this is a segment which is doing relatively well compared to bigger commercial vehicles. Second feedback I got from your dealer was that this is primarily meant for city operations, which means it is about a half-ton loading machine costing about ₹1.5 lakh to 2 lakh rupees, for which bank finance is easily available. And you have dealers at these 6 places: Agra, Bareilly, Meerut, Moradabad, Dehradun, Haldwani. So these are 6 towns where you are present. And to compare Western UP for these 6 towns, we have taken IRS study, which is a standard benchmark for all of us. And for West UP also, they have 6 reported towns. Haldwani is not one of them, but balance, you have to add Aligarh to it, and then we can do town-wise matching. Why town-wise matching? Because it is a product primarily meant for city operations. Second feedback I got from your network, sir, was that there are a lot of first-time users. So which means not only small transporters, but people who were earlier being maybe drivers or something, they are also buying your vehicle because finance is easily available. So somebody had one gadi, he has puts up second gadi, and this is the primary use. Local transport, factory owners, fruit vendors, small, from शहर की बड़ी मंडी से शहर के अंदर सामान लाने के लिए. Hence, I am connecting city. Since you are city based, I am taking only city data for reported towns. This is journal about Western UP. You have tourism pilgrimage. It is the best granary hub of the country. And I'll be going by IRS 2012 Q4. These are the reported towns: Agra, Aligarh, Bareilly, Meerut, Moradabad, and Dehradun. Since your buyer is primarily a male, and since they are first-time users also and small transporters also, that's why I have taken all the age groups. So somebody who's already running a business would probably fall here, and somebody who's starting off buying his first vehicle would be probably here. So of these 6 towns, our numbers are slightly better than Amar Ujala. Similarly, for graduates and SSC readers, because I don't expect anybody involved in these operations to be a postgraduate or something. I could be, of course, wrong. That's why I've taken graduate and SSC readers for these 6 towns. For these 6 towns also, we are doing better than Amar Ujala. General perception is Amar Ujala leads. Yes, they lead in certain areas, but those are not the potential markets as what I think. They lead in hills where this vehicle is not primarily used. That is my understanding of it. Then coming to, this is the most important point, sir. West UP and Uttarakhand, businessmen, industrialists, self-employed professionals, traders and shop owners. These are the people who read Jagran. These are the people who read Jagran more than Amar Ujala. These are the people who read Jagran more than Hindustan. And since your primary buyer is a male, that's why I've put up this data. This is going by the income group, because if somebody is running an operation, a small business, he will fit into these income groups. Here again we lead. So overall perception of Jagran or Amar Ujala leading in Western UP is a perception that has been running for quite some time. But what is more relevant for us and for our product is that we focus on these cities, because our product is a city-based product. And these people will belong to SEC A, B, C, where again we are at par with Amar Ujala. We are no longer a number 2 there. And this is regarding the sole readership at Western UP. If somebody is taking only probably one paper, there also we don't lose out. Of course, Amar Ujala leads, but that is primarily in hills where they have a substantial lead. That is in Uttarakhand. And your 90% sales is coming from West UP and not Uttarakhand. And second doubt, sir, we had was that Jagran is expensive. I have just tried to put the card rates of Western UP for all the papers, and I have put the readership figures. Source, of course, I have mentioned is IRS. These are the card rates. These are the readership figures. This is my cost per 1,000. So even going by this, without getting into any sort of deal or understanding, we are not expensive than Amar Ujala. One more suggestion that I'll have, that instead of going only for West UP, if you take, what's happened? If you go by entire UP also, then you will find us even cheaper. This is for entire UP because it is standard practice. Since you are a market leader, whatever price you product at, the competition will price it slightly lower. So that is what strategy they also follow. We priced at 6642, they have done it at 5999 with a much lesser readership. This is what the cost comes to if you take entire UP, though I know immediate concern area is only Western UP. This is the town-wise reporting in case we get into town-wise details. Thank you so much.